Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take our Jarvis AI assistant to the next level by adding a cool feature, the ability to open apps and websites. That's right, we're giving Jarvis the power to navigate the digital world with a single command. So, let's dive right in. To get started, we need to set up our development environment. We'll require a text editor, such as Visual Studio Code, and have Python installed on our system. Once we have that ready, we can proceed to the next step. Also, we will need to install App Opener and web browser libraries, which we can do by typing pip install app opener and pip install web browser in terminal or command prompt. Now comes the exciting part, writing the code. We'll create a Python script that interacts with web opener and web browser libraries to execute our desired commands. First, we'll import the necessary libraries and define our functions for opening apps and websites. The software_names list contains names of various software applications, such as Visual Studio Code, Google Chrome, and Python. The website_names dictionary maps specific names, example chess or YouTube, to their corresponding website URLs. For example, chess corresponds to the URL https://chess.com. The open_software query function takes a query parameter and searches for software names within the software_names list. If a match is found, ignoring case sensitivity, it prints the name of the software and attempts to open it using the AppOpener.open method with the match_closest parameter set to true, which finds the closet app on your device which matches with the query. The open_websites query function also takes a query parameter and searches for matching keys within the website_names dictionary. Inside the loop, it checks if the lowercase version of the current key exists within the query, indicating a potential match. This is done using the in operator and the lower method to perform a case-insensitive search. If a match is found, it opens the URL from the website_name objected in a web browser using the webbrowser.open method. There are more function in web browser library link in the description. The provided code snippet checks if the word open is present in the query. It calls the open website and open software functions. Which is because if the open website function doesn't find a match, it will go to the open software function and check there too. If no match is found, then it searches the query in the checked, which will help conversion take place to guide the user. And there you have it. We successfully added the open app and website features to our Jarvis AI assistant. Now, Jarvis can not only assist us with various tasks but also open our favorite apps and websites with a simple command. It's like having a personal digital assistant right at our fingertips. In the next video, we will add the ability to send email message through Jarvis. I hope you found this video helpful in expanding the capabilities of your own AI assistant. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting tech tutorials and innovations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.